welcome to my video. This is a tutorial, a nail art tutorial using UV nail varnish because I love UV nail varnish. Here I have my lamp and it's pink. It's so cute and it's tiny, like it's a travel size UV nail lamp, so you can take it anywhere. It's really great. And it being USB makes it even more portable. I've literally got it plugged into my MacBook here. Let's just push this bad boy to the side because we're going to be focusing on creating the nail art. And for that I have Beetle's gel polish, and they come in these cute rainbow colours. Look at all of them, they're so cute. So we have this first one, which is like a nice petal pink colour. Look, when I open this, it's like bubblegum petal. So cute, so sweet. And then we have this more coral pink. The bottom is a bit misleading, you can see on the top. I've put a little dollop on there so I can get a true sight of what it actually looks like, and it's this nice peachy colour. And this next one is the closest to white you can get with a pink. It's so light. I use this for when I'm doing like a more casual office look. And then yellow is this gorgeous pastel, not quite sunshine, but it still packs that punch. It's just the perfect pastel yellow. It's like ice cream, it's so sweet. And then our first blue green. I love blue greens. Is it like a teal or a cyan? I'm not too sure, but boy, he's just very cute. And of course, after that, we had to have a sky blue. He's so lovely. Just, you look up into the clouds, you see this blue, it's a good day. Oh yeah, I messed up the cap just a little bit. Oh no. So here I'm showing that I have acrylic dip powder on my nails. This isn't a necessary step if you don't have weak ass nails like me. So if you don't have weak nails, you can skip this step and just make sure your nails are clean and oil free. Another important step is making sure your cuticles are off your surface area where you want to paint. If you paint gel polish over cuticle, it could cause it to peel up much sooner than it would normally. And with that, you also want to rough up the nail. You want to make sure that gel sticks and it likes to seep into all of the crevices, and that's how it stays on. And for our last bit of preparation, be sure to put on a base coat. This will improve your longevity of your nails massively, so do that. Pop them in the nail lamp and set them to cook for however long it wants you to cook them for. And now we can get started on the actual nail art. So the technique that I do and that you should follow for this tutorial is to create a V shape on the bottom of your nails with your first rainbow color. Could be pink, could be blue, or you could just do a straight solid color of hearts, but this is a rainbow nail art tutorial, so we're going to keep it rainbow. And once you have that little V, you'll notice that the top corners of the little heart are quite harsh and strange, so you'd want to round them out very, very gently. Please take your time with this because this is your first layer, it's the most important layer. And I prefer to cure them in between each heart to make sure that the gel polish doesn't distort too much while I'm working on the others. And then you can just repeat the same steps but in the colours that you choose in your rainbow. So I'm doing it a little light pink here, and then I'll be going to yellow, then my green blue, then finishing off with a sky blue on my thumb. I'm very much a traditional rainbowist, although I don't like green. Fun fact. Which is why I always substitute with a more blue tinted green. And that is my first layer. Now, sometimes you may have to do a second or a third layer, which I had to do, but if you have a more opaque gel polish, you won't need to do that. And once I did that, I put a top coat on. Now, I like to choose a shiny top coat because I can't resist shine. You could also put glitter on the hearts or over the entire nail, it's up to you. I think a holographic glitter might look really nice with this, but I'm just choosing to keep it plain, keep it simple, but still very sweet. One last cook in the nail lamp, and there you have it. Your beautiful rainbow heart nails, perfect for Valentine's Day, an anniversary, a day to love yourself on, taking care of yourself, or just a regular pastel day. I really love this look. I think it's really nice when you want to grow your nails out and you don't have too much time to put into your nails every week or every 2 weeks. You can just let it grow out, and that is the joy of just doing the tip ends of your nails, the very, very endy bits. And I think this look is perfect for that. Still cute, but practical for if you're a busy person. I really hope you've enjoyed this little tiny rainbow tutorial, and if you enjoyed it, maybe consider leaving me a comment or a like, or maybe subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate that. But for now, I hope you have a good day, and goodbye!